Welcome back to the Michkaya Kimi channel, where we dive into health, wellness, and all the things that help you live your best life. Today, we're exploring the world of ladyfingers, also known as okra. And let me tell you, there's so much more to this humble vegetable than you may think. Whether you love it in your stews or grilled, the benefits of okra are truly incredible. Stick around as we dive into the 5 health benefits of ladyfingers that you need to know. 1. Boosts digestive health. First up, let's talk about digestive health. Okra is a powerhouse when it comes to fiber. One of the key benefits of eating ladyfingers is that it's rich in soluble fiber, which helps keep your digestive system in check. Soluble fiber absorbs water and creates a gel-like substance that aids digestion and prevents constipation. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your digestion, adding okra to your meals could be your answer. Plus, the mucilage in okra acts as a natural laxative, helping to soothe the digestive tract and keeping everything running smoothly. 2. Supports heart health. Next up is a benefit that's crucial for everyone, especially as we get older: heart health. Okra is loaded with nutrients like magnesium and potassium, which help regulate blood pressure. Plus, the soluble fiber we just mentioned also helps lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Eating okra regularly can be a delicious way to maintain a healthy heart. Just think of it as a green superhero for your cardiovascular system. 3. Controls blood sugar levels. For those concerned with blood sugar control, okra could be your secret weapon. Studies have shown that the soluble fiber in okra helps to stabilize blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of sugar in the intestines. Many people even drink okra water, where you soak okra pods overnight and drink the water in the morning. This simple habit can help keep blood sugar levels in check. So if you're managing diabetes or pre-diabetes, this little trick could be worth a try. 4. Packed with antioxidants. One of the lesser-known benefits of ladyfingers is that they're packed with antioxidants. These powerful compounds protect your body from oxidative stress, which can damage your cells and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. Okra contains vitamin C and beta-carotene, both of which are known to boost your immune system and protect your skin. By including okra in your diet, you're not only fueling your body with nutrients, but also giving yourself a natural defense against toxins. 5. Strengthens bones and joints. And finally, did you know that okra is great for bone health? This veggie is a good source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in building and maintaining strong bones. Vitamin K helps your body absorb calcium more efficiently, reducing your risk of osteoporosis and fractures. For those of us aiming to keep our joints and bones strong as we age, incorporating ladyfingers into your diet is a natural and effective way to give your bones the support they need. So there you have it, 5 incredible health benefits of ladyfingers or okra that you might not have known about. From supporting your heart and digestion to keeping your blood sugar in check and even strengthening your bones, this versatile vegetable is truly a powerhouse. If you're ready to start reaping the benefits, try adding okra to your next meal. Whether you eat it boiled, grilled, or even in a stew, the health rewards are amazing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.